In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add animation into our Thunkable apps. Animation is great for giving your apps a more advanced and creative design. First, let's drag and drop a Lottie animation component into the phone. Lottie is an online community of free animations, and it's really easy to use. If you're a designer, you can also create animations in the Adobe After Effects program and import them as a JSON file. And if you don't know what that means, don't worry, you can just go to lottiefiles.com. So let's do that. And when you find an animation that you like, all you have to do is hit the download button, and that's going to download directly to your downloads on your computer. So back on Thunkable, we want to select this animation box here, and we're going to upload the Lottie file that we just downloaded. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to make the animation the complete height and width of the screen. That way, it's going to take up the whole app, and we're really going to be able to see what it looks like. But if you want to make the animation smaller, or fit it in somewhere to your app, it's very easy to do. You simply drop the animation component into a row or a column component, and then you can move the row or column component around your screen. That's how you use the animation component.